When I look at my entire life, it's just nothing but a storm. The storm rages around me. Within that eye, it's calm for me. I see clearly. Aloha na kupuna, aloha na amakua, na akua pau o ke ia aina o ka moana. Mahalo i o koma, na uhane i ke ia kumula'au. As a kid, I so wanted a surfboard. That brand new shiny fiberglass surfboard. My dad just got a piece of wood, started carving it the traditional way. I just looked at the board and told my dad I hated it. I didn't want it. He just took the board, broke it, threw it in the fire pit and burned it. One night I go to sleep and I started to have dreams, and I remembered the board. And that was the beginning of my journey. The search for that essence of what surfing really is all about traditionally. Every wood speaks to you and talks to you, and it tells you the type of board it's going to become, their kinolau, their body form. And I want to restore their spirit and give it its life that it wants. Ocean is home, and land is where I come to rest. And when we stand up and ride a board, it's actually to allow us to be spiritually connected to the ocean itself.